just say, in all honesty, that like, I'm feeling a little over my BoxyCharm. Yeah, I mean, my Boxy Luxe this month didn't even come with like, it didn't even come with a paper. Like, what the heck? There's only like, there's only a few things in there that I want to use. Look, I'm gonna go put something on my face. I've already done my base. I'm going to use the like literally 3 things top in the Boxy Luxe box or Boxy Premium box, whatever the higher one is, that I really want to use. And I'll tell you what those are when I get there. But like, I think I'm canceling, y'all. Like, the party might be over. I might have to give up the ghost. Like, it might be a wrap. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shelby. Thank you so much for coming. And this is going to be my BoxyCharm unboxing of the stuff I want to unbox. I mean, I don't know. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to my channel, I do a giveaway every month. Some of the things are from BoxyCharm. Some of the things are things that I just thought were amazing things. I just said things like 19 times. It's okay. It's not you. It's me. Stay to the end and you can hear the question. And yeah, let's hop into this. I'll be right back with a look and some brows. Please hold. Okay, so first off, I did a good job. My face is cute. My face is cute. That's the first thing. Second thing, there are a number of things in this box that I did not use. Like, I literally used one thing, and that is the brow product, the Kat Von D 24-hour Super Brow in the shade medium brown. Comes in a cute little pot like this. Reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Kat. This is Anastasia, or KVD, depending on who you talk to. I don't know which name is on the products now that she's no longer with the company, but or sold her portion. I don't know. Anyways, super creamy, really nice, like it a lot. And that's where the things that I really want or like ends. Like, there's other stuff in the box, and I would love to show you the paper and tell you how much it's worth, but somebody packed my Boxy Premium without a paper. I have no paper, okay? And there's so few things in here that it feels like, I mean, I counted, it's 7 things, which is what the number should be, but like, the way it's packed is so half empty that it feels like they forgot something besides the paper. But anyways, I'd love to tell you what's in here from the paper and how much it costs and all that other stuff, but nobody put the paper in my box. Like, in my other box, which you can watch the other video, it doesn't even have a paper that's correct. Like, the paper that I have in it is incorrect. I had to write my own things on it to keep track of it so I could tell you guys how much my box was worth. So what's in my box? Aside from the Kat Von D, which I'm keeping, really like, super creamy, like the color, my brows, they look good. And this is all brow cream, brow pomade. Usually I have to add in a pencil or something, but it glided on so smooth. I cannot tell you. I felt like Shayla when my brows were done. I was like, those are almost Shayla brows. Like, getting it. Okay, I know you know what I'm talking about because she be having some brows. Anyway, what else is in here? I have the Best Bud Sugar Rush Lip Butter Balm. It's in the shade or the flavor Peony. It's very cute. Sugar Rush is, I guess, it's a spin-off brand from Tarte. I believe it's vegan. It's vegan and it's cruelty-free. The box is recyclable. But when I see this product, I often think that it is for a younger demographic, like teenagers and maybe just out of college. You know, the price point isn't that much cheaper, but the packaging, like, this is adorable. The packaging, look at that. I don't know if you can see. That's a flower, like a little peony, and it's got the lip product in there with the name on the front. Super cute. Next, I have the Milk Makeup Glow Oil for lips and cheeks. I didn't open this because I knew I probably wasn't gonna use it, especially since I have that cream blush from Fenty, which is, it's the orange one. I can't remember what it was called, but anyways, it gives a moist, I hate that word, moist, a dewy glow, but not in a stick like this. Next up, I have the Pure Heal by Nature Village Centella 90 Ampule. This is a this is a serum, and it contains the centella extract. You add it to your skin after you cleanse and tone, and it's supposed to firm the skin and leave it smooth and just really healthy from the inside out. All right, next I have a Eye Concentrate by Skin & Co. Roma. It's in the Truffle Therapy line. It's in the same line as the face spray that they had, and then the Skin Fromage, which was a peel that they had. Anyways, it's an eye concentrate. It's supposed to contour and restructure. It is also vegan, cruelty-free, and organic, and it's hot, I guess. Okay, and it's, again, like I said, it's not that they're not good. They're just not things that I need. And since I'm trying to declutter and I enjoy giving the stuff to you guys more than just reusing another thing that I have a version of already, I think it's more special if I give it to someone than if I just hoard it until I get around to it. And that doesn't usually even happen. I forget that I have it, and then I come across it, and then I'm like, oh, I should have gave that to somebody. Huh. This lipstick is kicking. This lipstick is not in the box, okay? This lipstick is MAC. Patent Lip Paint Lacquer. These were amazing. I bought 3 of them. One of them is blue. I hope to show it to you soon. Last thing in the box is a Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Now, first off, packaging. Okay, she's gorgeous. It's like brown lace. It's very sexy. It's a natural matte eyeshadow palette. And apparently it just got a makeover. They've got 7 modern shades, and they include a cocoa butter infused formula for the most creamiest and comfortable mattes ever. So look at her. Isn't she pretty? This is so pretty. Okay, and I'm gonna open it, but I promise not to like lick it or breathe on it, okay? That's what she looks like. Can you see that? How many of these? There are 9 shadows. There's 3 on the side that I guess are supposed to be like, I don't know if those are supposed to be transition shades, and it's like light to dark. So lightest and whitest out here, deepest and brownest actually up here, which seems like the wrong order, but whatever. Yeah, so the names are cute. Heaven, Nude Goals, Cleavage, Risky Biz, a little bit off color, but still hella cute. You know, that's Too Faced. I had it all the way out the shot the whole time, didn't I? Okay, well, there you go. Now you can see it. It's really, really pretty. Some of these I probably would have to stretch to wear. They're a little cool. Some of them are cool. Some of them are a little bit too pink, and some are just right on point. So I'm going to make sure that this goes to a happy home. Am I let down by this box? If they hadn't already set the bar so high and previously had, you know, given me papers that told me what was in the box, I probably wouldn't feel like I could have had a better experience. That being said, once these items are mixed in with other really good giveaways, or later down the line when I look up and I realize something and I go through my stash and figure out, oh, I might want to try that, it's going to be great for then. But am I wildly impressed by my box right now? No. I mean, I have an entire face of amazingness that didn't come out of that box. So how crucial could it really be? I don't know. I got to look at my subscription and decide how I want to live my life. Like, what choices do I want to keep making? If you want to see what this is on my eyes, then you should go and watch my Boxy Base video, because there's another video for Boxy Basic, Boxy Charm Level 1. What is the appropriate name for that one? I'm not sure. I don't want to be disrespectful. I'm not trying to call her a basic box, but like, it kind of is. If you are new to my channel and are not subscribed, you should go do that. You should also leave a comment down below in general, but let's answer the question of the week. What's the thing that you have in your house that you've now realized during quarantine you have too much of? It doesn't have to be makeup. It doesn't have to be a thing. It could be small people. It could be animals. It could be socks. I don't know. You tell me. Comment that down below. Go watch another video. Leave me a comment. I want you to win some stuff. We got 2 more videos maybe for this month. So you have 2 more chances to win, plus the ones that are already up. So, you know, go scoot. Go do it. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and ciao for now.